Take a ride in the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.